Presenting a pre-owned 2011 Ford Escape XLT. This four-door SUV has a six-cylinder, 3.0-liter V6 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Ford has less than 108,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 19 miles per gallon in the city, and 25 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ask to see the free auto check vehicle history report. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, cruise control, power steering, battery saver, external temperature display, roof rails, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, power sunroof, and leather seats.